Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for your inquiry on our Skoda Kodiaq. This is registration EU20 BKY. Here we have the front and driver's side of the vehicle. Along with some stunning alloy wheels. Over here we have the rear of the vehicle. Automatic tailgate. And a lovely size boot. Vehicle is also a 7-seater. Moving on to the passenger side of the vehicle. Vehicle is in quartz grey metallic. This vehicle is in our SEL trim. Comes standard with the micro suede and partial leather upholstery. And here we have the front portion of the vehicle. Lovely sport style seats. Vehicle's currently only got 1,388 miles on the instrument cluster. Heading over to the infotainment. Vehicle does come with satellite navigation. Front heated seats, dual zone climate control, and electronic parking brake. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further queries or questions, please feel free to get in contact with us. Our contact number is 0208 686 8844.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.